Every trader wants to catch the next big swing, but honestly, 90% of them are trading the wrong stocks. If you have ever entered a trade that looked perfect on the chart but moved like a snail, then this video is for you. Because today, we are decoding 3 filters that is going to separate the market movers from the sleeping stocks. That is liquidity, volatility, as well as momentum. Hello everyone, I am Pranav VK, your swing trading guide here at Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. In swing trading, the stock you pick is going to decide 50% of your trading success, because even the best strategies are going to fail if the stock doesn't move. So in this video, let's learn how professional traders shortlist stocks that actually swing. Think of these 3 things: liquidity, volatility, as well as momentum. These are like the fuel, the engine, as well as the speed of your car. Swing trading is all about capturing meaningful moves, not illiquid stocks or dead stocks. Liquidity ensures you can enter and exit seamlessly. Volatility gives you price movement. Momentum tells you direction. So together, they form your swing trading stock selection triangle. Now let's look at an example to understand this better. For this, let's compare 2 stocks, stock A as well as stock B. Stock A has a volume of just 20,000 and it has tiny candles as well as a low range. Whereas stock B has 25 lakh shares traded a day and it also has clear swings on the chart. So which one do you think a swing trader is going to choose? So always choose stocks which has very good average daily volume. At least it should have 100 crore in terms of value every single day. This is because liquidity is like your insurance. So you can enter and exit without slippages, or rather minimum slippages. Next comes volatility. A stock that moves just ₹1 over a week is not going to make you money. So look for stocks where the average range of movement is at least ₹15 to 20 over a week. Now I'm also going to share an example along with an indicator that can help you do this. Let's take for example Infosys that trades somewhere between 1400 to 1550 over a few weeks. Now this stock has clear swings and is preferred by all the swing traders. You can use the ATR indicator, which also stands for average true range. So when you put this average true range indicator on the daily time frame, it is going to show you the value of that specific stock. So higher the ATR, higher the volatility, which means bigger the opportunity for you as a swing trader. For example, if the ATR of a stock is 20 compared to ATR of a stock which is 50, it means that on an average, it moves by 20 rupees, whereas the other stock moves by 50 rupees. And finally, momentum. When it comes to momentum, you can use indicators like RSI or moving average crossovers to confirm the direction, because you don't want to trade against momentum, but rather you want to ride the momentum. So some of the standard moving average crossovers are 20 EMA along with 50 EMA. Sometimes some of the traders also use 10 EMA. So whenever the 10 EMA crosses the 20 or the 50 EMA, that is when you know that the stock is good in momentum and you can expect good movement. So to sum it up, we have the triangle wherein we have high liquidity, good amount of volatility along with the right momentum. So let's summarize what we have learned in terms of stock selection. While there are very different types of stock selection, here we have chosen a simple triangle of liquidity, volatility, as well as momentum. We learned that if the average traded value in a day is more than 100 crore, then it is good liquidity. And for volatility, we know that we need some decent price movements, and also you can confirm it with the ATR indicator, which also stands for average true range indicator. And you can compare that between multiple stocks to know what is the average and which one is higher. And finally, momentum. You can confirm it with RSI or moving average crossovers. Choose the right stock and your job is half done, because the market rewards movement and not wishful thinking. Liquidity fuels confidence and volatility fuels opportunity. In the upcoming video, we'll understand how market structure is going to decide the rhythm of every swing, and why recognizing higher highs and higher lows on the chart can change your entire trading journey. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. I am Pranav VK, an NISM-certified trader and trainer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.